Hey guys, today we are making Anna and we are starting it off from the face. Now for the eyes. Now for the highlights. Now for the shading. Shade. Now the second eye. Now with the eyelashes. Now for the mouth, a simple smile, and some eyebrows. Now for the hair, for the now for the upper part of the hair, a little curvy. Let's start off with the curvy. 1, 2, 3, and up, and second 2, and one more curve, big curve. Now second number big curve, and join it. Now join the next one. Now you can make the white hair that Elsa had made her while playing snowballs. Now for the collar. Now for the shoulders. For the body. In these characters, the head is much big and the body is so small. Wow. Now join it and make the hands. She has a little short sleeve, so making it short sleeves. Yippee. Join it. Make a bow. Now make it the top last one. Sorry, it is jointed. Now down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Now for the sleeves to complete. Now for the design. Okay. Sorry, it came a little much down. For the hand, arm, and the hand. Now for the shoes, means foot, 1 foot over with the shoes, and second foot is going now 2 feet over. Let's little fix it. Now for the band of the hairband, then some hair colorized. Now for the colors, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Please meet you at the next video. Bye.